Now this section is important, but it's simple. Let's take a look. I've got my desktop here, and I've created a folder on the desktop, and in that folder I have two other folders. One is the source folder, another is the site folder. The source folder contains my Fireworks PNG file, maybe it contains some Photoshop files, possibly Word files with notes about conversations with the client, TIFF files, Illustrator files, anything that you might use to make the website that isn't actually a final part of the website. So that's what the source is. This is all stuff we're not going to be uploading to the web server when we're done. When we get to the site folder, this is the opposite. We're going to put all our HTML pages here, and we're going to put our images into the images folder. Let's open up our Fireworks page again. And here we go. And now, because we have our slices named and optimized, let's take a look at that layers palette. You can see they're named. And if I go to preview mode, we can see that they're optimized. This should be changing to GIF, whatever it is, to denote what each one is. Notice that I don't have to put GIF or JPEG in the name. The program's going to add that. And now I'm going to say File. This is the File menu I'm in. Export. And now here's my options. I'm going to navigate. Here's my basic web folder on my desktop. In the site folder, in the images folder, where naturally our images are going to go. So I'm going to select. The default may say something like HTML and images. We're going to create our own HTML. We want images only, and we don't want to include the areas without slices. Turn this option off. Selected slices you can probably turn off. It won't matter. But the idea is we don't want all of these white boxes. That's what we're trying to eliminate. Don't worry about what it says up here. This is confusing. It's simply going to list whatever the name of the file is. When I hit export, this should take care of that. I'm going to go ahead and save my work. I'm going to close that up. And if you'll notice now, in my images folder, the phone, here's the button for products, and I have this by date modified. Let's order them by name. Bar, all my buttons are together. Logo phone, all my pictures are together. My source file is here. My project is organized, and now I'm ready to start creating the HTML files that will be the pages that use these images.